morning students, how are you all? Fine. I hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to learn our Viva reference book, our chapter number first, addition and subtraction. Students, take out your page number 68. Now exercise number 4. A-double-D, add TH with the NUMBERS numbers. Add the numbers. Now first A. This number given, we have to write in a proper place. What we have to do? We have to write in a proper place. Tens place, ones place, we have to write in a proper place. First read the digit. First 40, 40. 4 tens, 0 ones. First write here tens, ones. Now 40, 40. In a 40, 40. 4 tens, 0 ones. Okay, we have written. Now which number is this? 3 to 32. Now how to write 3 to 32? First 3 in a tens place and 2 in a ones place. So we write like this: 3 to 32. Okay, and this plus sign we have to write here. Now what we have to do? We have to count these sums. 40, 40 plus 32. Now 0 plus 2 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And 4 plus 3. First what we have to count? First we have to count 4. So count it 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now downside how many written there? 3. So we have to count 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now how many total fingers are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So our answer is 72. Our answer is 72. Next B. First write here tens, ones. Okay. Now in that 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Ones, tens and 5 ones. Plus 6, 3, 63. 6 is tens and 3 is ones. So how to write here? 1, 5, 15. So write here 1 and 5 plus 6, 3, 63. How to write? 6 tens and 3 ones. 6 tens, 3 ones. Now count it. Now how? First we have to count from ones place. First we have to count from ones place. So in a ones column, which digits are given there? 5 and 3. So what we have to do? First we have to count 5. So count it 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now total how many fingers are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Now we have to count from tens place. 1 plus 6. So what we have to do? First we have to count 1. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. This 5. Now count it total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. 7. So write down here 7. So our answer is 78. Next C. Write here tens, ones. 26, 2 tens, 6 ones. Okay. And 1 tens, 3 ones. So how to write 26 here? 2 tens, How many are written here? 84, 84 plus 11. So first we have to write here tens ones. पहले हमको क्या लिखना है? tens ones. 84 है तो 84 में 8 tens की प्लेस पर आएगा और 4 ones की प्लेस पे. ओके, प्लस which number is this? कौन सा नंबर है ये? 1 1 11. So when how we have to write 1 tens 1 ones and add it. 84 plus 1 1 11. So first we have to count ones place. हमको कौन सी प्लेस से स्टार्ट करना है? ones place. तो in a ones place, ones की प्लेस में कितना है? 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and how many we have to add? 1. So we have added 1. So count it total figure 1 2 3 4 5. So write it here 5. 8 plus 1. So first we have to count 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and how many we have to add? 1. So we added 1. Now total how many fingers are here? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we write here 9. So our answer is 95. Now students, our exercise number 5. ADD add THE the NUMBERS numbers ON on THE the NUMBER number LINE line. Add the numbers on number line. Now students, what is this? This is number line. First we have count one digit sums in a number line. हमने पहले one digit के sums number line पे add किए है ना. Now we have to add 2 digit numbers. Okay, so our first figure is, read it, 21 plus 8. Now what we have to do? We have to first find out 21 from this number line and we have to add 8. Okay, first find out 21. Where is 21? Here. So what we do here? We do circle on 21. Now how many we have to count forward? हमको कितने आगे जाना है? We have to count 8. So we count 8 forwards. Okay, so 21 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, we count 8 forward. So what is our answer? We got it here. This is our answer. So our answer is 29. Okay, so where we have to write 29? We write here. Our answer is 29. Now second, which number is this? 4 7 47 plus how many we have to add? 4. 47 plus 4. Now from this number line, what we have to do first? We have to find out 47. So this is 47. Okay, now how many we have to count forward? हमको कितने count forward आगे जाना है? 4. So count it. 1 2 3 and 4. So our answer is 51. So write here 51 51. Okay, now students, our exercise number 7. ADD add THE the NUMBERS numbers. Add the numbers. Now we have count simple sums. Now we have to count carry over sums. Now how to count carry over sums? Let's start here. Tens ones. 46 plus 7. Now 6 plus 7. First what we have to do? First we have to count 6 plus 7. First count 6 plus 7. Now we have to count this 1 2 3. See here. 1 2 and 3. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now in our hand there are 14 boxes are given in our fingers. Okay, so we have to count this. Okay, so first our first digit is 6. So first we have to count in a 2 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then downside 7 are given. So this 6 we have counted. Okay, so we have separated here. Now we have to count another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so till here we have to count. Now total count this all the boxes here given. See, this we have counted not till here. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is 13. Now how to write 13? 13. Okay, so we have to write here only once digit we have to write here. We not here write 1. Okay, what we have to do? We carry over this 1 here. This carry over. We keep upside and we write upside. Now 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Now we can write another way. Which number is this? 8. And which number is this? 3. So first here we count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now downside 3 are given. How many lines we have to draw? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Now total how many lines are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. Now what we do? We write here only ones place. ये ones place का अकेला हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ये 10 प्लेस का 1 है ना, वो हम क्या करेंगे? कैरी ओवर, ऊपर ले जाएंगे. कैरी ओवर. ओके, नाउ 1 प्लस 5. 1 प्लस 5. 1 प्लस 5. Now total count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so write down here 6. So our answer is 61. Now next see, tens ones. 79 plus 4. So first we count only this ones place. Okay, this we have to count. So which number is this? 9 plus 4. First we count on fingers, then we count on lines. Okay, so first count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 we have counted here. This we have counted 9. Now another downside 4 given there. 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Okay, so till here we have to count. So from here to here all we have to count. Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. Another way, first we have to write 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then which number is this? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now total count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our answer is 13. So we write here ones place only. And 1 tens का जो 1 है वो कहाँ जाएगा? Upside carry over. We carry over 1 upside here. And write here. 1 plus 7. So first we count 1. Okay. Then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now total how many fingers are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write it here 8. So our answer is 83. Now next tens ones. 82 plus 9. So first we have to count ones place. 2 plus 9. So first we count on fingers. So first we count 2. 1, 2. Okay. This 2 we have counted. Now another downside 9 is there. So we have to count 9 on fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9 and this 2. We have counted no first we have counted this 2. So we add 2 in this 9. So total count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So our answer is 11. I am writing here. Okay. Now another way we can count like by linings. So first 1 and 2. Then downside how many which number is given there? 9. So how many lines we have to draw? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now total count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. We got this 11 number. We got now this 11 our answer. Now how to write 11? First we write here ones and how many we have to carry over? 1. Tens we carry over upside. Ones we write here and tens place we carry over upside. Now 1 plus 8. So total count. First how many we have to count? 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Add 1. So we added 1. Now total how many fingers are here counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write down here 9. So our answer is 91. Tens, ones. Now which number is this? 3, 9, 39 plus 8. So first we count in a ones place. So 9 plus 8. How to count? Now first we count by finger lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this 8. So we count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 9 plus 8 count. These 9 lines are here. Okay. So this counted 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our answer is 17. Now count on a fingers. First, which number given there? 9. So we count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This 9 we have counted separately. Keep separately this. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This 6, 7, 8. Now total how many are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we got it. Our answer is 17. Now how to write here? Ones place we have to write here. 7 we write here. Now tens place which number is there? 1. So we keep upside we carry over 1. So 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Now total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 47. Next, tens ones. Which number is this? 5, 3, 53 plus 7. So in a ones column we have to write first, count first. 3 plus 7. So by linings 1, 2 and 3. Now this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now total how many lines are here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 is our answer. Now on fingers we have to count. First, how many are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. These 3 we have counted. Now 7. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 and this 7. Now total from here we have to count this total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got it 10. Now in a 10 we write here 0 and 1 carry over. Now 1 plus 5. 1 plus this 5. Total 5 and 1 6. So our answer is 6060. So students, keep practice at home. Thank you.